Hi cuties! Welcome to my channel. This is Tutor Angelica, Cartesian plane. What is Cartesian plane? The Cartesian plane is a two-dimensional coordinate plane formed by the intersection of two perpendicular lines. The horizontal line is known as x-axis and the vertical line is known as y-axis. Who is the philosopher of Cartesian plane? Is it letter A, René Requiestas, or is it letter B, René Descartes? What do you think, cuties? Or what is your guess? Okay, correct. The answer is letter B, René Descartes. If your answer is letter A, you're wrong because René Requiestas is a Filipino actor and comedian. So who is René Descartes? René Descartes first published the coordinate system that bears his name in 1637. It is sometimes called the rectangular coordinate system because the grid is made of squares. René Descartes was a mathematician, philosopher, and scientist. He developed rules for deductive reasoning, a system for using letters as a mathematical variables, and discovered how to plot points on a plane called the Cartesian plane. The invention of the Cartesian coordinate system is credited to René Descartes. He revolutionized mathematics by providing the first systematic link between Euclidean geometry and algebra. Thus, the coordinate plane is named after him. Cartesian from his last name, Descartes. Let's look on the horizontal line. Is known as the abscissa axis or x-axis, while the vertical line is known as ordinate axis or y-axis. This axis is used to recognize a point on one plane. One single plane, this plane is called the Cartesian plane. As we can see, the Cartesian plane is divided into four parts or regions. This one, this one, this one, and this one. Each of them is called a quadrant. The quadrant is named in a particular order which we have to strictly follow. This region is the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, as we can see, the x as well as the y coordinate are positive. Moving in the anti-clockwise direction, we name this quadrant the second quadrant. In this quadrant, the x-coordinate is negative, while the y-coordinate is positive. So remember, for the first two quadrant, the y-coordinate is positive. Moving in the anti-clockwise direction, this is the third quadrant where the x as well as the y value are negative. This region is the fourth quadrant. The x-coordinate is positive and the y-coordinate are negative. In the Cartesian plane, the point at which the x-axis and y-axis intersect is called origin. In the Cartesian plane, the origin is represented by an ordered pair or the Cartesian coordinate 0, 0. Thus, that mean that every point on the plane will lie in any one of the quadrants. Let's mark a few points on the plane and see which quadrants are lie in. Let's assume I mark point A. Here, this point lies in the second quadrant. So we write A to here. Point A lies on the second quadrant. Let's assume I mark point B. Here, this point is in the first quadrant. We write B first here. Point C is marked here as it lies in the third quadrant. We write C3. And this point, D, is in the fourth quadrant. Now let's look at something interesting. What about this point D? Which quadrant does it lie? In first quadrant or the second one? We say that point E lies on the y-axis. What about point F? Here, yes. Point F lies on the x-axis. What does this tell us? It means that each point on a plane lies either on one of the axes or one of the quadrant. That's all about the Cartesian plane. See you again, my cuties. Thank you. Thank you for watching.